Yes, me there again, my people. Big up, respect, and manners to each and everyone. Yeah. Alright, so years ago, I came to the realization that you have a lot of people out there with different problems in their lives. Some people problem greater than some people problem. And sometimes it is good to talk to someone about what's you're going through in your life. You see me? Sometimes, and it depends too. Anyways, I'm going to present a video to you, my viewers and subscribers. And in this video, a person said some things that gave me the understanding that the person talked about at least two persons in this video. One of those persons he called his mother, and the other person he called his sister. You might be surprised to hear some of the things that the person said in this video. I'm gonna like you look and listen to this video carefully and tell me what I think about the things that the person said. Now, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
Call my mother first. Tell my mother my problem. How I go out with me. My sister jumping at the conversation. She don't know nothing. She start talk all kind of thing. Want me boy don't want me a house and all kind of things she talk. She don't know nothing. She just a talk. Tell my mother me not know where to live. Can't go across ski. She have a house there. My grandmother have a house at Victoria Town, which is not good. My mother have a house at Kraski, where my niece daughter live with her granddaughter, who is a lesbian. Have a whole lesbian friend them live there with her. They not talk about that. They not talk about the dirtiness with them, what she a do that. But me not know where to live. And me can't go there go live. So, me make a video now. So, you see what happened to me in her life? All because my mother, my sister, my mother birthed me. One boy picking. She never look on one grand picking them. Just my sister them picking them. Never see mine. Never. My mother never see none of my picking them. Never look on them. Never give them jack for me know them. Me not lie by my mother. And my grandmother grew me. My sister can't find. My mother never done none for me. Live a for much years with her. Not even my one daddy, me no know. Till him dead. I wasn't dead. Them recognize me. Nobody not recognize me. Wow. All my life, me I try by my own. Wow. Do my own thing. Me done here 20 years now. I'm not pressing nobody for nothing. Me not beg nobody none. Not beg nobody. But same time my sister have a wicked against me. Me no need to be good. Anything happened to me in a life and today. See my mother and my sister. Me mommy tell you, man. Them is the wickedest set of people them ever know in a life. Enough people. And two sister. Well, who? As long as me live, me can't tell you I don't want nothing from them. If them hears me live, them hears me live, I want nothing from them, nothing to do with them. My mother and my sister, today want to show me a wicked. Who is to me? Wicked. My mother, my sister, wicked. Who is to me? Me enough time people kill all them parents and me I say wickedness that. But if they know the truth and the reality behind it, enough people dead. If you don't know the truth and the reality.
Alright, my people, so I'm going to say these things, you see? At no point and at no time should anyone turn to violence. Violence is never the answer. I do not support violence. Now, it's really sad to hear the things that the person said in that video, in the viewers and subscribers. And I really and truly hope that the person is okay. I do not know when the video will be recorded. One of the reasons why I presented that video to you is because the video is being talked about on social media. And I would like to know what you think about the things that the person said. So leave your comment or comments in the comment section of this video to let me know what you think, alright? Now I am going to present a video to you that's going to show a group of persons. And the group of persons who you can see in this video, I assume that they are a congregation. Now in the video you can hear a female talking loud. And the female said some things that gave me the understanding that she said that she a go kill her. Now you might be wondering why the female said those things. So, for you to get a better understanding, I'm going to present the video to you first, and then I'm going to say some more things about the video and about the whole situation, alright? Here's the video. Look, listen, and observe for yourself.
Hey, this is my ground. Say you are the tree of non-progressive.
She loves praise for God too much.
She loves praise for God. Take off that anchor of her foot.
Every minute. She said she loves God. And she loves me for judgment. Break free.
Yeah.
And come and tell you, she loves process. Marsha and I rule them.
Yeah.
I never kill her.
So who are you?
Come and tell you, you see me?
Yeah.
Me never like her.
Yeah.
Come for her publicly. Always talking.
Oh, so you are the witch. I'm telling you. I'm done preach on the day.
I'm a killer.
You're a killer?
Let me tell you something.
Come from my alibi.
No.
Come from my alibi.
Now, another piece of video that I saw that shows the same female who was talking loud. That video shows when someone sprayed some type of liquid from a bottle on the female who was talking loud repeatedly. In two more pieces of videos that I saw, the female who you can hear talking loud in the same video that I just presented to you said some things in those videos that gave me the understanding that she admitted or confessed that she killed someone's mother, and that she said that she woke Obeah upon her. My people, I am not able to confirm if the things that the female said are true, but I'm just telling you what I heard. Now, based on how the female was acting in all of those videos that I saw, I assume that she was in some form of trance. But you, my viewers and subscribers, can let me know what I think. Please bear in mind that all those pieces of videos that I saw, I don't know if they are from the same video or if they are different pieces of videos. But let's tell you what I think. I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, I'm going to present a video to you that will be recorded within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. The video that I'm about to present to you is going to show how a person had been arrested or detained by police from within the country of Trinidad and Tobago. Now, I got unconfirmed information that some residents within the area where the video will be recorded did not like the way how police officers, who you can see in the video, handled the situation. Now, I don't have any confirmed information as to why the person had been arrested or detained by the police, so I am not able to reach a conclusion when it comes on to that. But the video has been talked about on social media, and that's one of the reasons why I am presenting the video to you. But before I present the video to you, I want you to please bear in mind that in the video you can hear persons yelling and shouting. The video shows how police officers somewhat work together in order to arrest or detain the person. The video shows when police shoved and pushed the person before the person had been placed in handcuffs. I also got the understanding that there was at least one person who had been placed in the back of a police service motor vehicle. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe. Alright, my people, so right about now, the only thing we can say is that that video is just one of many videos that have been posted on social media that shows a confrontation between police and residents within different communities worldwide. You understand, my viewers and subscribers? See? So I'm not able to give a confirmed information as to why that person had been arrested or detained in such a manner. You see me? But the video is being talked about on social media. You know, nevertheless, I'll let you know about the video if I can. Alright? Alright, now viewers and subscribers, I'm going to leave a video with you. And this video that I'm going to leave with you, my viewers and subscribers, is going to show a person who I think some of you, my viewers and subscribers, might recognize in this video. Yeah, one of the reasons why I leave this video with you is because I think that you might recognize this person in this video. Because this person that I saw and heard in this video looks and sounds like someone who I saw on other videos on social media. So I want you, my viewers and subscribers, to look and listen to this video. You can tell me in the comment section of this video if you recognize the person. You can also tell me what you think about the things that the person said in this video. And you can also ask me certain questions in the comment section of this video. Alright? Anyways, here's the video. Look, listen, observe, and until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla.
Some have a message for the bad mind, for the critics, for the envy and for the grudge. You want me to say? I want earth. I want moment. I want time. So you can go and waste your time and bad mind and criticize. So me I go and live my life. So whatever you have to say, keep it to yourself because I don't want to hear it. Music in my ears 24 hours a day and 7 days a week. Mouth, food in my mouth every day. That's why I can't speak. I don't have no time for bad mind. A full time some people realize so them bad mind not help. And it not stop none. So if you go to your Obeah man, go on to your Obeah man, your science man, whoever you go to your magician, go on. Because on a life now come to none. On a life sad. I want to some sad life people. I want to turn. On a life too sad, you know. Well, when I wake up, I just feel sadness in our life. I know what I travel tell you say. Right, you know, a different program and I don't have no more time for all a bad mind. And I have a waste another minute to talk about on a bad mind. Not another minute.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall skilla.
Yeah, man.
Hey yo, skilla.